ScreenML AI is a game-changing software that's just been released, and today I'll be reviewing the 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. Whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or just looking for AI tools to boost your productivity, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Right off the bat, what makes ScreenML AI so special is its intuitive interface and the power it packs in one package. If you're someone who's been frustrated with complex AI tools in the past, ScreenML is designed to make things incredibly simple without sacrificing performance. The software leverages cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to automate tasks that used to take hours. Now here's something most software companies don't mention upfront. ScreenML AI allows you to use its full functionality completely free from the first link in the description below. You can literally test out its capabilities without pulling out your credit card. But stick around, because I'll be explaining what exactly makes it so powerful and why this software is creating such a buzz right now. One of the biggest things I want to highlight is its ability to streamline your content creation process. Whether you're creating ads, landing pages, or even emails, ScreenML AI does the heavy lifting by suggesting compelling copy, headlines, and even calls to action that are proven to convert. Imagine saving hours of brainstorming and testing just by clicking a few buttons. That's the power of this tool. Another crucial feature to know is its automated customer segmentation and targeting. Instead of spending hours analyzing data, ScreenML AI automatically segments your audience based on behavior and demographic insights, allowing you to target with precision. This feature alone can dramatically improve your ad ROI and make your marketing efforts more efficient. Then there's the built-in content optimization engine. ScreenML AI automatically checks the effectiveness of your content by running A/B tests on various formats and messaging. This means you get real-time insights into what's working and what isn't, so you can adjust your campaigns on the fly. Whether you're a marketer or just someone looking to enhance their content, this is a game changer. What's even better is that ScreenML AI isn't just for marketing teams. It's an invaluable tool for solo entrepreneurs or small businesses looking to scale without breaking the bank. With its automated workflows, you can easily manage everything from email campaigns to customer follow-ups without needing a dedicated team. ScreenML AI is also equipped with advanced analytics. You'll get comprehensive, easy to understand reports on how well your content and ads are performing. This takes the guesswork out of the equation and allows you to make data-driven decisions faster than ever before. Finally, the platform's integration with other popular marketing tools is seamless. Whether you're using email marketing platforms, social media scheduling tools, or CRM software, ScreenML AI works with them all, ensuring your workflow remains smooth and efficient. To wrap things up, ScreenML AI is definitely worth a try, especially if you're looking to save time and improve the effectiveness of your marketing. Remember, you can try it for free right now through the link below. Also, after testing thousands of AI software tools myself, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations, which you'll find in the description. These are the tools that have consistently delivered results for me, and I think you'll find them just as valuable. So, give ScreenML AI a try and let me know how it works for you. You won't regret it.